Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen type conversion or typecasting. So in today's video we are going to see that how we can take user input and print the value which that user has inputted. Okay, so first I will just create new file and I will save this file and I will say 7 dot user underscore input. Okay, and I will save it. Now to fetch the data from user we have input function. Okay, so it works something like this. I will say a equals to input and here I will write message like enter number. Okay, and in print I will write number you enter is, then I will say plus and the variable a. Okay, so if you want to give any message and then print the data, then you can either do plus and a or you can do comma then a. Okay, both things will work. So we have new function implemented, so we will just write debug and here it has recognized the first step, so let's go. Yeah, yes, here it is asking for the input. Okay, so I'll just say 21 and enter, and you can see it has directly just printed. Okay, I'll do again debug and I'll say next step, then input, and here we need to give input now, so I'll just say 21 again and hit enter. Then this variable got input function got 21. Okay, remember this is in a string. Okay, then I will just pass it and you can see it will print 21. Okay, so here is one question to you guys. I have entered number in this function. Okay, I have inputted number, then why it is converting string? This input function by default takes any input as a string only. So if I write print type a, then run this script 21, enter, then you can see it is string. Okay, so what if I want input in integer? Then I need to wrap this input function in integer function. I will show you how. So just comment this. Okay, and below I will create one more variable which will be b equals to int, and I will create parenthesis, and in this parenthesis I will write input function and I will say enter number, and this should accept only integer. Okay, integer value. So if I run on debug and I go to next step, next step, next step, next step, next step, and I write 21. Okay, and hit enter, then next step, you can see when it was on a previous step, then it took input as string only. Okay, if I stop this and show you again, okay, see carefully, I will enter 21. Okay, and hit enter. You can see this took input as string. Okay, now when this value will come out of input function, then it will be converted to integer. So you can see it converted to integer. Now we are going to face error. See, we got error because there is no variable a. We commented this out. Okay, so I'll just stop this again and I will just enter B over here and B over here. Okay, and now since we see the process of converting the input, sorry, for taking integer input, I'll just directly run. I'll say 21 and enter. Now what if instead of number I type string value like this? Enter. We got error. Why? Because this, you can see over here, we have wrapped this input function in integer, so any input which is in integer will be accepted, otherwise it will give error. Okay, I hope you got the idea, okay, of input. And if I write str over here and run the code again, and if I write Yash, then it will not give us error. Okay, and here it will be name. You entered in is. Okay, and if I enter number, then it will not give us error, because that number is going to be converted into string, because we convert with we can convert number to string, but we can't convert alphabets to integer, right? So enter. You can see it took 21 and converted to string. Okay, so I hope you got idea of this input. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in next lecture we are going to deep dive in strings and perform some interesting operations on string. So tomorrow's lecture is going to be exciting.